Imagine waking up tomorrow and every single ocean on Earth has completely disappeared without leaving behind even a single drop. At first, people would think it's impossible, Matt, but within minutes, the terrifying truth becomes impossible to ignore. Millions rush toward the beaches only to find ships resting on dry ground where water once existed. Within hours, billions of fish, whales, and countless sea creatures begin dying beneath the scorching sun. But the real disaster isn't the empty ocean. It's what disappears along with it. But the real disaster isn't the empty ocean. It's what disappears along with it. Without oceans storing Earth's heat, temperatures begin swinging between unbearable daytime heat and freezing nights. Rain clouds vanish, rivers shrink, and fertile land slowly transforms into dry, lifeless deserts across the planet. Without rain, crops begin to fail, and the world's food supply starts disappearing faster than anyone expected. Over 3 billion people depend on seafood, but overnight the fishing industry completely collapses. Major ports stop operating, cutting off the shipping routes that keep the global economy alive. Within days, supermarket shelves empty as millions rush to buy whatever food remains. Then another hidden problem appears, something most people never even think about. Tiny ocean plants called phytoplankton produce nearly half the oxygen we breathe every day. Without oceans, these microscopic organisms disappear, slowly reducing Earth's oxygen supply. Breathing doesn't become impossible overnight, but each year the air grows a little thinner. Dust storms now sweep across the enormous dry ocean floor, covering entire cities for days. Coastal cities become nearly impossible to live in as dust replaces the sea breeze. Wildlife collapses as birds, seals, dolphins, and countless species lose their natural habitat forever. Entire ecosystems disappear, creating one of the greatest mass extinctions in Earth's history. Scientists estimate that Earth's climate would continue becoming more extreme every single year. Entire ecosystems disappear, creating one of the greatest mass extinctions in Earth's history. Summers become hotter than ever before, while winters freeze regions that rarely saw snow. Freshwater becomes one of the planet's most valuable and fought-over resources.
We must take every single drop that is left. There is no more.
This is the last of it.
Nations struggle to survive as millions migrate in search of food and clean water. Civilization slowly begins falling apart, not because of one disaster, but because of countless connected ones. The oceans were never just water. They quietly kept our entire planet alive. Without them, Earth becomes a harsher, quieter, and far less habitable place for every living thing. It's easy to forget how important the oceans are because they've always been part of our world. Losing them wouldn't just change our planet, it would completely change humanity's future.